What's up, y'all? I'm about to go pick up my boy Kevin, one of his friends. I think she's another YouTuber. Let's see. Are you waiting? Are you here for Kevin? I'm Kelvin. Nice to meet you. I'll be escorting you up. Welcome to my channel.
Okay. Okay, that's what you were saying.
That's why I said it was filming.
I feel you now. So what channel is that?
So I have a couple channels, but I'm working on my new channel called jflights, which is more of a travel channel.
Okay.
And then I have my main channel, Kelvin J, which has traveling on it too, but it's just more mixed and diverse with a lot of random stuff.
Okay. Random, like just meeting me?
Right, like just meeting you. What's your name again?
Sophie.
Sophie.
Yeah.
And I'm Kelvin.
Good seeing you. I just get my hair done. You know we'll be on TV.
Yeah, right. You never know. You gotta be ready in life.
What's gonna happen in What? Wow.
Hey, Kev.
That's so cool. Wow, that's such cool things.
We are in the units.
So
What
nice.
to do, baby? What's your red hair? Oh my god, what is this red hair you got on, man?
What view is there?
What is this? What is this?
It's the beauty of the dancer.
Bonham, so this is Sophie.
Sophie.
Sophie Baila. My ankle's not healed yet.
Sorry, I forgot about that.
Sophie
I'm just
Baila.
like, I'm too much into dancing right now.
This is Kelvin.
Yeah, I know him now.
Kelvin.
We've had a long talk coming
Yeah,
up
like,
here.
it's
Long
like I knew him
talk.
forever now.
Forever. I'm over here editing.
How you find all these places?
Ninja.
Editing the vlog. House tours in Mexico. It's like always a house tour,
Like
y'all.
shower for 10 people.
Time for 10 people, yeah. I'll send you an invite next time.
It's so awkward up here at night and just
Yeah.
watching people eat their dinner. It's like,
You can stand like let's throw something away. Like,
how many
oh,
gummies
what?
can you stick on a ball head?
Exactly.
You know?
Or like peanuts, like oh no, is there a monkey in a tree or something? Well, that's like
There's a cenote down the water.
Ooh. So you live here with him?
Yeah, I just moved a week ago.
Oh,
Yeah.
cool.
Take upstairs, too.
You came back like a week ago too, no?
Yeah.
Exploration.
You go upstairs?
You know, I love visiting apartments. It's like
You have to jump on the table when you
oh,
go
it's like
upstairs.
so dark.
You go up there, you have to jump on the table.
I will try to not fall because if I break my neck, I won't dance anymore.
Man, it's humid in here.
It's
It's
close.
almost like a sauna.
That's so weird. It's closed from outside.
And we're free.
What? So cool. Alright, so I need to be invited here more often.
Me and Sophie just taking in the
Yeah, I'm in my drink right now.
beautiful amenities.
I need my cocktail. I'm missing something right here. Cocktail?
Every day. They're up there jumping.
I can have a party with the neighbors.
There was a guy down there earlier. There's a guy down there just chilling with his gut out, enjoying this morning.
Where I don't see him.
He's not there now.
Oh, okay.
He was
I was
there
like,
earlier.
I don't see
I don't see
anything.
any guy. I'm going nuts.
I was like, let me put my glasses on.
You guys already know the beaches over there?
Yeah.
We call it the Ocean Peak. Ocean Peak view.
I call that the blue hole.
Because you just get a little peek of it. You know, it's not,
Yeah,
like,
it's
it's
like-
not like a full ocean view.
We're not far from it.
Ocean Peak.
Cool.
There's
Really
like
nice.
one spot in the house where you go.
All right, I can do like a dance show in there.
Right.
Yeah, I'm on something, man. Just changing my hair color, maybe like
Watch
going
your
a
head
little
going
crazy.
down.
Huh?
Watch your head going down.
I will be careful. I feel like half in the castle, half in the jungle. Definitely the vibe. What is it there?
That's my room. You can go in.
Oh, okay. Cool. It's like nobody
Cool.
knows that's right.
A
Imagine,
cool
right?
view out the window.
The bed is bigger. I think bed is very small.
Oh, Well, this is 2 twin beds pushed together.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, okay.
So
Now I
his
get
bed's
it.
probably more comfortable.
Yeah. That's cool.
Yeah, I like waking up to the
You
little.
can see like the sunset glasses from the Thompson.
Yeah.
So you can probably see me on
And
Friday
then-
night.
and Friday night, I keep an eye out. Put it
yeah,
on YouTube.
like in this corner, we usually take the classes. I don't know if we can see
That's funny.
it.
Whew.
It's like men's style, obviously not organized.
Yeah, living right out the suitcase.
Missing woman in there.
Hey, if I had one,
But I
she
have
could
like the
do
same
her
boards.
thing in
Like
there.
I bought exactly the same one. I have like 3, 1 in French, 2 in Spanish.
It's the work zone.
So
This
what
is
are
where
we
the brain
working on?
thoughts get laid out to make us
Yeah.
money, y'all.
Mm-hmm.
Kevin loves his
Should like put
whiteboards.
some notes there, like to show it's for money, you know.
Put some notes.
Yeah.
Tack some sticky notes.
Mhm.
Right.
Some Bitcoin. Some
Right. Throw some
Some
big
stuff.
coins.
Damn, this kitchen too is like. What?
So, how are you?
I'm good. Don't you see that? I'm feeling right, super good right now. Where are you?
Amazing.
I was like, are you in the shower?
He dropping
How
the
are you like?
dropping the kids off at the pool.